Everyone talks about adobo, lumpia, and lechon, but those are nothing compared to the island foods nobody tells tourists about. Today, I'm taking you straight into the Philippines' hidden food culture, stuff you've probably never heard of or never been brave enough to try. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which island dishes you absolutely need to try on your next trip, and which ones might be better if you just watch someone else try first. And trust me, number 4, even Filipinos debate that one. But before we get to the dish that literally changed my whole view on Filipino food, let's start with something that looks innocent until you know what's inside. 1. Kinhisan, island giant sea snails, Visayas. These huge island snails are simmered in coconut milk with ginger and chili. And yes, you literally have to suck the meat out of the shell. It sounds crazy, but the flavor? Like butter garlic seafood with a creamy kick. A must try, just don't wear white. 2. Tamilok, woodworm, Palawan. Okay, this one is wild. Locals call it the Filipino oyster. It's slippery, salty, and eaten raw with vinegar, and somehow it actually works. One of the most surprising foods I've ever tried. And don't worry, it tastes better than it looks. I promise. 3. Piaparan, marineo dish from Mindanao. Imagine the richest coconut curry you've ever tasted, but with a fluffy, shredded texture from turmeric, ginger, and spices. It feels like discovering a whole secret cuisine, because you basically are. Mindanao food is so underrated. But the next one, even Filipinos argue about whether foreigners should try it or avoid it. 4. Balbacua, Cebu, and Mindanao slow-cooked collagen stew. This is collagen stew cooked for hours until the beef skin and tendons melt into a sticky, rich soup. It's intense but unbelievably satisfying. Like Filipino comfort food, turn up to 100. 5. Casilba, Baton's fermented fish. This island dish from the Ivatan people is salty, funky, and full of character. Eaten with rice, it tastes like a Filipino version of Japanese narazushi. Ancient, bold, and full of history. 6. Binaki, Mindanao sweet corn tamales. Soft, sweet, wrapped in corn husk, and steamed to perfection. It's the Philippine cousin of a Mexican tamale, but lighter and smoother. A perfect island dessert. And honestly, this isn't even half of the secret island food culture here. If you think these dishes were surprising, wait until I show you the ones locals only serve during festivals, because those are on another level. If you want more hidden travel and food stories from the Philippines, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments, which island dish should I try next? I'm going to pick one of your suggestions for a future video.